Hey everyone, Danny Jose here, DIY guy with another product review, and this time I'm reviewing this dry duct cleaning kit. I got this from Amazon, and it comes with a head brush and comes with 6 rods that you can assemble together depending on the length that you need it to be. So you screw in the rod to the head brush, and then you're supposed to put duct tape in between each connection point so it doesn't unscrew while it's spinning in the air duct, just a safety precaution. So basically the length that you need it in, you just stick it into your drill, tighten that, and then you're supposed to stick it in the air duct like that. So here's my dryer vac. You're supposed to take this out, but this one is really stuck onto here, so I don't want to see if I can get it without even disassembling this hood here. So you basically stick this rod in there. Just have the one rod for now, just to check it out. So you just stick this in, and because the rod bends, you can see, this is why you need to put the duct tape in there, because when you're spinning it, it does loosen out. So I'm going to go ahead and put a duct tape on this end here. Alright, so I have duct tape here. Again, that was my mistake, newbie error. So you get your duct tape, and then just make sure, just tape it on. All right, let's just check this out again, and let's do it the other way. So spinning, so I have my drill spinning clockwise, so hopefully it won't unscrew this time. Let's check this out. Okay, so you stick it in there. Oh wow, look at it go. And then you just kind of, wow, okay, so you just stick it in there. And then you basically, if you need to go deeper, you put another rod in here. Mine isn't too long of a vent because it's right behind this wall here. So I'm gonna put some duct tape, make sure, and then tighten it. Wait a second. All right, let's see this in action. Stick it in there. Another piece of tape. Okay. Stick that in. So here's all the lint that came off of my vent. You can see there's some collar attachments, plastics that came out of the dry vent, so that could get stuck into the vent. You want to get those things out. So there you have it, the dry duct cleaning kit from Deflecto. And again, I ordered it from Amazon. It was an Amazon choice and it had some really good ratings. It was about $35 Canadian, and I would say it was worth the money. It was cheaper than the other ones that I saw there, and so definitely recommend it. It comes with 12 feet of rod and it comes with 6 attachments. And again, really important to put duct tape at every joint, and also especially at the brush head. Make sure that's nice and secure. Set your drill to clockwise so it rotates and it doesn't loosen when you're rotating it. So yes, I would definitely highly recommend this product. And if you like this review, please press like and subscribe, and I will see you at the next product review. Thanks.